Why is my SIM showing an unusable SIM? Hey guys, in this video, we will see why my SIM is showing an unusable SIM. There are several reasons why your SIM might be showing as unusable or not detected. First, ensure the SIM card is properly inserted. Then remove the SIM card tray. Check that the gold-plated side is facing down and reinsert it. Inspect the SIM card and tray for any visible damage. Clean the SIM card and tray to remove any dirt or debris. Now, go to your phone settings. Select SIM cards and mobile networks and ensure the SIM card is enabled. Then, check if your device is locked to a specific carrier. If so, you may need to contact your carrier for a network unlock code. Reset your network settings. Then, go to your phone settings, select System, then Reset Options and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Contact your carrier to ensure your SIM card is active and hasn't been deactivated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.